Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's solve exercise 4-4, which was your homework actually, but still we can do it. Maybe you are facing problem in solving that, so I just decided to came up with this that let me help you in that thing. Okay. Now let's prepare the multi-step income statement here. You do know that we do write the name of the company here. So we have this Allen and White is the name of the company. We are preparing income statement and we are preparing it for the period 2010, or you can say for the year 2010 actually. Okay, now look at the income. Let's have a glance of the question actually. So this is the overall information given to us, like administrative information is given, selling related information is given, or sales related information, and other informations are also given. So if you see this exercise 4x4 or 4-4 is a replica of exercise 4-6 actually, where the organization divided their operating expenses into two areas, the admin related areas and sales related areas actually. So we're going to follow the same technique here. And then sales and cost of goods sold, income tax, interest revenue, and rental revenue information are also given. We are supposed to prepare a multi-step income statement, so we're gonna go like in brackets actually. So the very first information that we need the information of sales actually. Now if we look into the numerical, we had a sale of $96,500. Okay, so that's $96,500. From this figure, we are supposed to subtract the cost of goods sold. Now the cost of goods sold we have is 63,570. 63,570. Let's subtract this. When you subtract it, you come up with the gross profit figure for the organization actually, and the gross profit figure that we have is $32,930. Okay, after this we are supposed to subtract the operations related expenses, or you can say operating expenses actually. Now as the organization has divided their operations into two sections or two departments areas, admin related issues and selling or sales related expenses actually. So I have created two subheadings within the major heading of operating expenses. Let's see what we have in admin. In admin we have officer salaries and depreciation of the office equipment actually. So of salaries are 4,900, equipment is 3,960. Let me write both of them together. So we have this officer's salary, okay, which is around, you had a figure of 4,900, and then we had depreciation, which had a figure of 3,960. Okay, so what I will do is I will find the total of these two. The total of these two is actually $8,860. Then I will go to the selling section. Selling expenses are three actually: sales, transportation out, sales commission, and depreciation actually. So let me write them here. Transportation out, okay, which is 2,690. Then we had sales commission, that is 7,980. And we got depreciation related to sales department as well, which is 6,480. So let's find the total of this as well. The total of this is 17,150. Okay, 17,150. So these are the two admin operating expenses that we have. Cost of goods sold is done, sales figure is done. These three values are remaining, which are not related to operating expenses. So let's calculate the figure for EBIT. The figure of EBIT is actually $6,920. This is the operating income. From this we're gonna plus and minus if there is any operating expenses or if there is any non-operating expenses or non-operating revenues actually. So look into the numerical. We have here remaining income tax, this is expense, interest expense, and rental revenue. So we got these two values here, or accounts here. Let me first plus the rental revenue here first. The rental revenue figure that we have is $17,000, and then I'm going to subtract the interest expense out of it, which is $1,860. So you actually subtract this value from this, and 17,000 will be added to it. The net result of this would be actually called as earning before tax, which is called EBT as well. This would be $22,060. It's like 6,920 plus 17,000 minus 1,860 is equal to this much. Then at the last, we are supposed to subtract the tax expenses or the income tax amount. Okay, now if I go to the numerical back, in the income tax amount is $7,580, so that's $7,580 that's gonna be subtracted. Okay, the net value, the remainder value would be $14,480, which is actually called as the net income for the organization. So you see, guys and girls, that it was very easy, and it's a complete replica of the exercise 4.6 because of these two these two classifications, actually, that the expenses are actually classified into two groups actually. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Stay safe.